Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a couponless block in your Shopify store. So you might have seen some Shopify stores uses this kind of a block which called the couponless card, which shows the available coupons in the store. So I will explain how you can create similar block in your store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Either you can choose that or you can just directly download from Shopify App Store. So after installation, you can open the app from the admin panel and go to the blog section and click on create new block. There will be some blocks available as the template, which is a default one. Either you can choose it from this, otherwise you can create your own one. So click on add block. Now I'm just searching for the block which is coupon list. So I'm clicking on add to checkout. So first we have to give a proper name like a coupon list block. It should be a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of blocks. And if you have any conditional visibility, like you might have some conditions like this block will be visible or this block will be shown only if such a number of condition is met, then those kind of criterias you can set up over here by enabling this. So just enable this and click on this add new visibility condition, and there will be a number of multiple conditions showing up here. You can just choose any of from this. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available in the checkout page always without any conditions. So click on coupon list and you can just give any title or available coupons or any of like just grab the deal or something like that. And you can also set the maximum coupons to display list and from adding only 2 for now and just clicking on add new coupon. And first things you have to add is a coupon code. Let's go with free ship, and in description also you can just add any. I'm just going with get free shipping with minimum purchase of 500, and you can also have some other like a coupon code. I'm just giving sale 20 and I'm just giving get 20% off with minimum spend of $100, something like that. So yeah, I have created one. Please make sure that these discounts or these coupons are valid ones from here. So in discount section you can just see the available discount codes or coupon list, so you can just choose from there. And yeah, the setup is done, and let's save it. And before saving it, make sure that the status is active too. Okay, so after saving, I'll be getting a block ID from here. So let's copy this and let's open the checkout editor page. Now I have to add the custom block to the checkout page. So I'm adding this and I have to paste the copied block ID earlier, right? So I have to add this here in this field. So the block has been created here. Let's move the code to order summary page, which is a suitable with for these coupon list to be placed. So I'm just dragging this to the order summary page. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so you can just apply the discount from here like this, and let's save it. Now we can test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. Let's try to check out this. Now, yeah, you can see the available coupon blocks, which is a coupon list block has been created here successfully. So if anyone is ready to apply, then they can just click on here, and the code criteria or the code, if the code is valid, then this code will be applied. Otherwise, they will be showing some error like this. So that's how you can just create a coupon code list in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.